and welcome back to Alleyways, or if it's your first time here, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video, and if you haven't already, please make sure to join the Alleyways family. Subscribe to my channel, give this video a big thumbs up, and turn on post notifications so you know when I have new content. Okay, I'm so excited. First of all, we have a new Disney backdrop, which I am just so excited about. My sister Meredith got this for me and for the channel, and it really gets me in the Disney mood. Also, today we're playing Disney trivia, specifically Disney Parks trivia. Most of this is about Magic Kingdom. I'm really excited. It's been a while since we've gotten to do some Disney trivia together, so let's not wait anymore. Let's go ahead and jump right in. All right, fam, let's play some Disney trivia. If you are here with me on the live chat, thank you so much. Put your answer into our discussion box. If you're playing at home, grab a pen and paper, open up your notes app, play along. There's 10 questions in total. Winner gets bragging rights. All right, let's kick things off with question number 1. What is the oldest attraction in the Magic Kingdom? Question number 1. What is the oldest attraction in the Magic Kingdom? Get those answers in 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. All right, if you put Prince Charming's Regal Carousel, give yourself a point. You got it right. So whenever I was making this trivia, I was researching a lot online, and there are so many cool fun facts about this particular attraction. Our next question has to do with this attraction. So look out for more info on Prince Charming's Regal Carousel in future trivias. For now, let's move on to question number 2. What was Prince Charming's Regal Carousel originally called? Question number 2. What was Prince Charming's Regal Carousel originally called? Get those answers in 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, if you put Cinderella's Golden Carousel, then you got it right. This is a piece of trivia I didn't know. I thought this was really interesting. I don't know when or how or why the name changed, but if you all know, share in the comments down below. That's some trivia I would love to know. For now, let's move on to question number 3. Question number 3 is, what is the motto for the attraction It's a Small World? What is the motto for the attraction It's a Small World? And this one doesn't have to be word perfect. If you get somewhere in the ballpark, give yourself a point. Get your answers in 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. All right, if you put the happiest cruise that ever sailed, you got it right. Any kind of permutation of that, give yourself a point too. I thought that was a pretty tough one. What do you all think? I always like to know what you think about trivia, so let me know if you think these questions are too tough, too easy. If you have any ideas for good trivia questions, DM them to me on Instagram or Facebook. For now, let's move on to question number 4. Which famous Disney artist was responsible for the design of It's a Small World? Which famous Disney artist was responsible for the design of It's a Small World? Get those answers in 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. All right, if you answered Mary Blair, then you are correct. I absolutely love Mary Blair. I'm a massive fan of hers, and the art direction and the design for Small World is just truly mind-blowing to me. I love it, and it feels just like quintessential Disney to me. Mary Blair is amazing. This will always be a Mary Blair fan page. Let's move on to question number 5. Question number 5. Big Thunder Mountain has 6 trains. Each train has a name. Name one. So there's 6 possible answers here. This is something I did not know at all. Get those answers in 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, there are 6 possible answers on this one. I'm going to read them because I still don't know them. If you put, I be hardy, I am brave, I am fearless, you be bold, you are daring, or you are courageous, I'm giving you a round of applause and a point. That is amazing. I never knew this, and I thought it was a really fun piece of trivia. If you got that and you were right, let me know in the comments down below so I can give you another round of applause. For now, let's move on to question number 6. What is the name of this statue? What is the name of this statue? I'll give you a bonus point if you can say who's in it as well. Get those answers in 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. All right, if you put Sharing the Magic, you got it correct. If you knew that it was Roy Disney with Minnie Mouse, you just got a bonus point. Congratulations. Let's move on to question number 7. Question number 7, the scents of Magic Kingdom. And now I realize this photo is not from Magic Kingdom, but what a smell. The question is, what is the name of the machine that is used in the parks to generate the scents we know and love in the attractions? I feel like this photo is one that we can all smell. What is the name of the machine used in the parks to generate the scents we know and love in the attractions? Get those answers in 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. All right, if you put smellitizers, you got it right. This is something I never knew. I never knew the name of the machine, and I never knew that they technically did that. I thought that was really cool, and I would personally love to have a smellitizer at my house. Let's move on to question number 8. Who provided the voiceover for the Haunted Mansion? Who provided the voiceover for the Haunted Mansion? Get those answers in 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. All right, if you put Paul Frees, congratulations, you got it right. What an iconic voiceover. The attraction would never be the same without this performance by Paul Frees. Absolutely love it. All right, we are getting down to the wire. I think this is our penultimate question. Let's move on. Next question, what do cast members say each night before closing Pirates of the Caribbean? What do cast members say each night before closing Pirates of the Caribbean? Get those answers in 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. So each night before closing Pirates of the Caribbean, cast members say, "Good night, George." I will give a bonus point to anybody who can tell us why. So here's another optional bonus point. Put it into the live chat now, or if you're with your family and you know, give yourself a bonus point. For now, let's move on to our very last question. Question number 10. At any time in the park, how many feet away from a trash can are guests? At any time in the park, how many feet away from a trash can are guests? Now, you know this is a big deal in Disney, everything remaining clean, having plenty of places to throw away your trash so you don't litter. But how many feet away are you? Get those answers in 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. 30 feet. So no matter where you are in the park, at any physical location, you are 30 feet from a trash can. This really helps keep Disney clean, which I love and appreciate, and I thought was also a really cool fun fact. All right, fam, that is it. If you played along, thank you so much. Special thank you to my live chat crew who is here with me. I hope you enjoyed this Disney trivia. If you would like more Disney trivia on the channel, please let me know in the comments down below. I love you all so much, and I can't wait to see you next time right here on Alleyways. Bye!